Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to set up Dynamic Lock in Windows 11, so your PC automatically locks when you walk away. This is a very useful security feature, especially if you are working in an office or public place. Let's get started. First, make sure your computer has Bluetooth, and your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Now click on the Start menu, then open Settings. Click on Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Add Device, then choose Bluetooth. Now select your phone from the list and click Pair. Confirm the pairing request on both your computer and phone. Once your phone is successfully connected, go back to Settings, select Accounts, then Sign In Options. Scroll down to Dynamic Lock and check the box that says, Allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. That's it. Now, when you walk away with your phone, Windows 11 will automatically lock your computer after a short time. This feature uses Bluetooth signal strength to detect when your phone is no longer nearby. It's a simple and smart way to improve your computer security. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful Windows tips. Thanks for watching.